Hello, I've built this personal portfolio website for 2026 completely from scratch and in a clean, easy way so you can customize it right away. Here you can see we have four toggles. This can be updated, of course, with your own information. This is the quick navigation menu, and this is the contact information where you can update it, and then we have some details about you that you can put there. So here we have the latest projects, which are basically my own projects because I'm using this one live, this version. I just decided to put it on the marketplace recently. So here you can find the projects that you've been working on or you completed. You can put the skills that were involved in that project, the status, the main skills, the industry of the client, and then the project type. And then, of course, you can customize all of these easily from the databases. This is the project summary, this is the client name, the date completed, and then here you have the problem, the solution, and the process. So this is built with a case study framework. This is how I'm displaying my work, which is basically consulting and building systems with Notion for companies or individuals. So let's go back there, and then okay, you can access here the certificates. You can change these for sure. You can put there your own certificates, and then you can put here your own client testimonials or reviews if you have them. And then here, if you have any extra work that you want to show, I'm just showing here my Notion templates. I'm splitting them by personal templates and then by business use templates. And here I embedded my most recent YouTube channel videos, which also are about Notion. And over here, I embedded the latest four or the best four articles from my blog. Okay, so this is very easy to customize. You can access each page differently from the menu here, and then you can customize the information. With one click, you can remove my data and completely put yours inside. So this is the gallery view if you have work that you want to show in a gallery view. We have here the testimonials database, and then we have a cover page for each page, which you can also remove and change. So this is it. Very simple, very customizable, and very clean. If you want it, you can just take it from Notion Marketplace.